in here there are 4 subjects, so the student needs to take the exam for all the subjects. If some students miss one of these subjects, so the total will not show up the result. So equal if and or. If Word equal nothing equal yes, and then Excel equal nothing, and PowerPoint equal nothing, and then the last one is English equal nothing. So if like that, the value is true, is nothing to display. But if the student come to take the exam all these subjects, and then sum will and then sum will come up, and close bracket and enter, and then you just drag down. It's something like this. But if some student is not come to take one of these subject, example word, they miss this subject, and then it will not show up. It will blank like this. But if the student come to take, and then they get a score 0, yes, they can pass because they come to take the exam. But if they give up, no show up in the classroom, they will fail automatically. It will not display like this. Okay, and in average, we use if total equal nothing, and then we display nothing. But if total not nothing, it means the student come to take all the exam. So if the total is not nothing, average come up, and then we select all 4 subjects. Okay, so I will drag down and see if blank this one, and it will blank all, something like this. And in here the result. So the result we use if with and. There are 2 cases here. First, student need absent must be less than 10, and the average must be greater or equal 50. They will pass. We tie in here if and if absent less than 10 and the average is greater or equal 50, then the value we comma, and then the value is true. If the correct 2 is correct, mean that true, both of them is true, it will pass. And if not true, mean that if not true one, or if not true all, it will fail. It will display fail like this. And okay, mean that the bracket we have to close 1, but at the moment I close 2, so it show the message, and then I will drag it down. You see in here why the student failed. The average is 98.75. We can check in here, yes, because the absent is greater than 10. So they fail because of the absent.